Welcome to the Explainer. I am so thrilled you're hanging out with us today because we are absolutely going to demystify the high-level ecosystem. Look, if you're gearing up to launch your own software as a service business, you've definitely heard of this platform. It is incredibly powerful, but let's be real, getting started, it can feel a lot like staring at the cockpit of a commercial jet. You're just wondering, how on earth do I take off without crashing? Well, today we are breaking down the exact strategy outlined in our sources for starting your software journey without wasting a single day. And, spoiler alert, we're going to see how finding the right strategic affiliate partner is actually the ultimate secret weapon for your success.
So here is our roadmap for today. We've got 5 main sections. First, decoding high-level affiliates. Second, direct versus affiliate sign-up. Third, the power of affiliate support. Fourth, strategy before your trial. And finally, choosing the right mentor.
Section 1. Decoding high-level affiliates. Myth versus reality. Okay, let's just address the elephant in the room right out of the gate. If you spend any time at all in Facebook groups or online forums, you've seen this common stigma. People get super frustrated, right? They ask, are these affiliates just out to make a quick buck off my sign-up? And honestly, it is so easy to feel like you're just a commission check to a random stranger on the internet, especially when literally every YouTube video seems to be pushing a different link. But here's the thing. That assumption totally misses how this entire ecosystem is uniquely designed to benefit you.
The reality is vastly different when you actually look at top-tier partners. A truly successful affiliate, they aren't just a link provider, they are a mentor. When you sign up under someone who knows what they're doing, you are unlocking a massive, totally tangible advantage for your new business. The platform actually empowers its best affiliates to give you things you literally cannot get on your own. We're talking extended trials, fully pre-built systems, and custom onboarding that absolutely accelerates your path to profit. They are highly incentivized to see you win because, well, if you cancel, they lose too.
Section 2. Direct versus affiliate sign-up. The head-to-head. The contrast here is just night and day. If you go rogue, head to the main website and sign up directly, you get a standard 14-day free trial and your only lifeline is general support. You are pretty much flying solo. But if you use a successful affiliates link, you automatically get a 30-day free trial. Plus, you get personalized mentor support and custom action plans. You are literally trading a rushed, lonely experience for a highly supported, guided path to success.
30 days. Let that sink in for a second. In the software world, an extra 16 days of free access is an absolute eternity. This gives you so much more runway to set up your business, build out your funnels, and most importantly, land paying clients before you ever have to fork over a single dime in software fees. That breathing room, that is the exact difference between launching with total confidence and launching in a blind panic.
Section 3. The power of affiliate support. Your arsenal.
Listen to this direct quote from our source material, spoken by a top high-level affiliate. I'm always available to you just via email or send me a Loom video. I'll see about helping you out and building things out, at least put you on the right course. Seriously, imagine you're trying to build some complex automation late at night and you just hit a brick wall. Instead of submitting some generic support ticket and waiting days, you can shoot a quick video message to your mentor, someone who has built hundreds of these, and get a direct, personalized solution. That kind of one-on-one problem solving, you can't put a price tag on that.
Great affiliates act like a massive arsenal for you, basically handing over their proven assets, which the platform calls snapshots. Look, setting up a cold email campaign from scratch, the funnels, the automations, the opportunity tracking, it can take weeks of trial and error. A top affiliate just hands you their exact working snapshot. Boom, you are up and running in a few hours. You also get advanced tools like page personalizers that automatically drop a prospect's name onto a sales page. You get their business models, their exact pricing strategies, and even white label courses so your future clients can basically onboard themselves. They are handing you a business in a box.
Section 4. Strategy before your trial. Beat the clock.
The ticking clock is your worst enemy if you go in unprepared. Seriously, the absolute biggest mistake you can make is starting your free trial today if you don't actually know how the software works yet. Do not click that start button until you have learned the platform, figured out exactly what features you want to sell, and mapped out your pricing strategy. If you start your trial and then try to figure it all out, you are just setting money on fire by burning through those precious free days.
You should expect to spend about 12 to 14 hours just consuming crucial training. And this is exactly why good affiliates offer free jumpstart courses. Take a week.
Pace yourself. Spend a couple of hours a day going through those 12 to 14 hours of material. Learn how to sell websites, learn how to pitch missed call text back features, and figure out reputation management. Do all of this homework before that clock ever starts ticking.
So the real secret sauce here is following this exact timeline. Step 1. Take the free Jumpstart courses provided by your chosen affiliate and binge their YouTube tutorials. Step 2. Sit down with a notepad, grab a coffee, and figure out exactly what features you are going to offer, what your pricing will be, and how you'll package it all up to solve real business problems. Then, and only then, do you move to Step 3. Start your 30-day trial and attack your niche immediately. When you do it in this order, you are fully armed and ready to close clients on day 1.
Now, a super quick caveat for those of you who are already experienced digital marketers. If you've already got, say, 5 to 10 clients that you plan to migrate over immediately, our sources strongly advise skipping the starter plan entirely and going straight to the Pro plan. The Pro plan unlocks advanced billing features that are built to handle scale. If you start low and grow too fast, you'll have to painfully reconfigure your entire agency setup later on just to accommodate those features. So if you've already got the clients, do yourself a favor and start at Pro.
Section 5. Choosing the right mentor, a consequential decision.
I need to issue a very, very clear warning here based on this blueprint. The platform is incredibly strict about its affiliate attribution. Once you click a link and pick an affiliate to sign up under, you cannot easily switch. Unless there is some massive, extreme case of a bait and switch, your affiliate will not be changed. You are locked in. This means you absolutely must do your due diligence before you make that commitment.
So, what criteria should you actually be looking for in a great mentor? First, an active YouTube channel packed with public tutorials that prove they actually know the software inside and out. Second, they need to offer a free Jumpstart course so you can test drive their teaching style before you sign up. Third, a private community where you can jump in and ask direct questions. And finally, look for a personalized touch. Seriously, be super careful with those mega affiliates who have thousands of signups. They simply do not have the hours in the day to give you personalized connectivity. You want someone who actually has the time to guide you.
Which leaves us with this final, massive question. Who will you choose to guide your success? You now know that an affiliate isn't just some transactional link. Their support is quite literally the difference between a frustrating 14-day scramble and a fully supported, highly strategic 30-day launch. Do your research, find a mentor who provides actual value, and consume all their training before you ever start that trial. So before you click that sign up button, ask yourself, are you setting up to struggle completely alone, or are you partnering up to actually scale? Thanks for checking out The Explainer.